Kenzie, you eating a banana? Huh? You got one in one hand and one in the other hand, huh? Kenzie, you got a banana? Chew it up and swallow it before you take another bite, okay? Good girl. Good girl, darling. That's a good girl, Kenzie. Chew it up and swallow it, okay? That's a good girl. You like bananas, huh? I love you, Kenzie. Love you, darling. Swallow it before you put the whole thing in there. Kenzie, chew it up and swallow it, okay? You're so cute. Bye-bye. Don't take another bite yet, okay? Okay.